Hello, this is second part of the content engine together with tagging. In the first part of this demo, we've created a couple content items. Here is connected with a migraine. We have image, heading, some texts, and YouTube. From that items, we built a list of content. It's possible to preview here. We have an image, some text, something which we authored a bit previously. Now, let's try to display this content on a mobile application. To do so, we can see that this content is assigned to a tag migraine. If I open this tag in the admin portal, you can see that this tag, first of all, is possible to display on home page. It's possible to assign an image to a tag together with some text for a tag. So let's save this display on home page property, and in the mobile app, this is iOS simulator with the home page opened. We have nothing here, but if we reload mobile app, we'll see new content assigned to a tag. Let's try to do the same on Android. Yep, same tag displayed here. Let's go back to the content page. Here we can see that our content consists of logo, text, headers, and all this stuff. Let's try to click on a content. On mobile app, we have same logo, headers, images, YouTubes, and all the content built here we can see on a mobile application. Let's try same for Android. We have same. We even can play a YouTube video on Android emulator. Awesome. Let's try to mess with this content. Let's say, for example, I don't know, let's add an image. So we have our gallery of content items. Let's go to add. Let's add image. Say it will be image test. Let's choose a file. Something ugly. Save. Let's add this new item to our migraine tag. Here it is, migraine image test. Add it last. If we save and reload and try to preview it, somewhere, oops, image test. Here, save. Yep, we have new image in a preview. Let's find this new image in Android. Yep, as well as in iOS. Oops, done. So we can construct content, we can preview content, and finally we can display content on a mobile app on a home screen. That's all for this demo. Thank you so much.